Hello, I'm Shane with Salamander Paddle Gear. I'm down at the Boise Whitewater Park. Today we're going to discuss the different foam kayak roof rack blocks that we carry. Most of these blocks we carry in both a 16-inch and a 22-inch version. This is our Yakima Thule block. It's a little bit narrower at 3-inch wide. This is our SUV. It fits most factory roof racks. These are our universal, which allow you to fit Yakima, Thule, and factory roof racks. Allows the shop to buy one block and kind of cover all situations. It also can be set on the rooftop. It has non-skid. This is our X SUV. It's a little wider. We call it the Xterra SUV. It's meant for Xterra racks and wider factory racks like the Whisper Light. And then our non-skid, meant to just sit on top of the car's roof. This is the most solid and used for no rack. This is the SUV block. Comes in a 22-inch and 16-inch. This fits most factory SUVs racks, 2.5-inch width. It can stretch a tiny bit. 4-inch by 4-inch, 3-inch in the middle.